If you're looking at jumping into Kajabi for your online business, there's no doubt that one of the biggest questions you have is email. How does Kajabi do email marketing? Well, first, Kajabi actually allows you to integrate with just about any major email marketing service out there. So if you're already on MailChimp or ConvertKit or Infusionsoft or any of those kind of places, you can actually just migrate that over to Kajabi and integrate it fully within your Kajabi system. And that's actually what I was planning on doing when I first jumped onto Kajabi. I was on ConvertKit, I really liked it, I thought it was a very powerful tool, and it is. So I thought, okay, I'll jump into Kajabi because it integrates with ConvertKit and I'll be set. Well, once I got into Kajabi and I started looking into what the email system is like, I immediately just switched over and migrated my list over to Kajabi because I was like, I just can't continue to pay for ConvertKit when Kajabi offers such a powerful email marketing system. So I want to dive into that. And in this series, we've actually gone through all of the features that are listed here on the homepage, starting with products. We did that. We did websites. We did payments, and now we are moving on to email. And before we dive in, if you're interested in jumping into Kajabi, be sure to use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get the free trial that Kajabi offers, but you also get my exclusive $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and the exact email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I'm going to put that in your hands for free to help you get started launching your first course on Kajabi using their email system that we're going to talk about right here. So again, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. That is an affiliate link, so when you use it, it goes to help support this channel, so that's very much appreciated. If you're going to jump into Kajabi anyway, you can try it out for free, and it will benefit me if you use my link. Beautiful emails now faster than ever. Grow, manage, and reach your subscribers with customizable emails. Kajabi Email's new visual builder lets you quickly create and send gorgeous messages that integrate video, countdown timers, automations, and more, building strong audience relationships. So this is going to completely replace MailChimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, etc. So let's take a look deeper into what Kajabi Email can do. So world-class email marketing software, no monkey business. I think that's probably a reference to MailChimp. Creating marketing emails worth opening, all of the functionality, none of the guesswork. And here's the thing that I love about this. They're right to say that there's all the functionality. You can segment your list, you can tag people, you can set up automations. It's super simple. None of the guesswork. And here's what I think they mean by this, and I agree. It is so drop dead simple to use. You do not have to figure out code. You don't have to learn how to speak another language. It's all under the same roof that your whole business is under within Kajabi, and it's all very simple to use, just like Kajabi is. Some people mistake the simplicity for a lack of functionality, and it's just not true. It has a massive amount of functionality, but it also is incredibly simple and easy to use. Best practices built in. Create email campaigns that always look and sound right, with beautiful templates to pick from and automatic subject line validation. You never have to wonder whether it's ready to hit send. So right here, it's got a little visual of the subject line validation. So get a free ebook on me. It says avoid using the following spam trigger free. So it knows what is going to trigger spam or what could trigger spam. So it lets you know in real time, hey, don't use words like free or don't use words like whatever. And so in this case, they're going to probably change that. I love it because if I use too many capitalizations or too many exclamation marks, it just says, hey, you might not want to do that. I still can. I can choose to if I want to, but it lets me know if that's going to be a problem. And then beautiful templates. So there's lots of different email templates. I like to go very simple. That's my approach. And they have simple email templates as well. It's basically just the text, and I have just a little logo at the top and a little email signature at the bottom. I want my emails to come across like I just sat down and wrote you an email, but you can do it as fancy or as simple as you want. Simple doesn't have to mean basic. I talked about this. Flexible emails for any occasion. Send one-time email blast or automate multi-touch sequences based on customer behavior. With templates for every type of email your business needs, you save time and effort whether you're sending an event announcement, a product showcase, or anything else you can dream up. So again, every single week when I put out new content, I do one-time email campaigns. But then I also can send a sequence of emails. I can do a product launch series of emails. I can do what's called a new user sequence. So like when you download a lead magnet, it takes you through this process of receiving a set of emails that might pitch you on a product or introduce you to my brand or provide more value or all of the above, and to make it very easy. Okay, so the intuitive visual editor, Kajabi's powerful visual editor, makes it easy to customize and preview so that you can send with confidence. Make your emails stand out with rich content elements like countdown timers, videos, and personalization. So yeah, you get a visual editor so you can see what's going on. I love the countdown timer because you can stick that in there when you're doing a product launch to kind of add a little bit more of that sense of urgency or scarcity that this is coming to an end, this offer is going to expire. That's really important. And you want to do that on your sales page, which Kajabi makes that very easy as well. And you can do it within the email itself, which is kind of nice. What real customers are saying about Kajabi. I was so tired of using two platforms. In the middle of my launch, I decided to completely migrate my email list to Kajabi. It was the best decision I've made. So I love that. And I had the same experience. I didn't do it in the middle of a launch, but I did have two different platforms and I was going to run both, and I just switched everything over to Kajabi. So the best thing to do is to go ahead and dive into Kajabi and get started trying out the email. You might decide that you want to move your whole list over, or you might decide you want to keep it separated and just integrate the two platforms. Either way is fine. You can use my link to get started, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. And if you want to know more about Kajabi and what it can do for you, check out this playlist right here, and I'll see you in there. We'll dive into all kinds of stuff that Kajabi can do for you and your online business, and hopefully help you decide if it's right for you, and if you already have it, how to get the most use out of it. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.